To add the wall thickness, we are going to use a command called offset. And to access the offset command, you can find it in the modify section on the left. It's this icon right here, okay? Or you can type the letter O, and that's the shortcut for it. And then we're gonna start the command offset. So the way this command works is that you need to say or to specify like the distance of how much it's going to offset, like a polyline or an object. So I'm going to choose 6 inches to represent like the wall thickness. I just want to point out that you don't need to put the inch symbol because AutoCAD understands that the default unit is now inches. So just wanted to point that out in case I don't do it, you understand what it is and you understand how AutoCAD works. So I'm going to hit return. And then what I will do is I will select the polyline and then I will go to the inside. Okay. And then I guess if this whole polyline was connected together, it would have done like the whole thing in one go. But as you can see, it wasn't connected. I don't remember when I stopped connecting it. But anyway, we're going to basically stretch this point to here. And then this one will stretch it to here. And then we will do the same from here. We will just fix these corners. So that way we have the walls and they all should look good for the most part. Now the dimensions might be a little confusing when looking at the walls, so I do want to do something to make it easier to look at this. So we will select all the dimensions and then we will change their color to a different color, so that way it makes it easier to look at the floor plan. So I selected all of them for the most part. I'm not holding the shift button. Actually, AutoCAD does the addition by default, so it will keep adding to the selection. And then from the right, you will see we have 13 dimensions. From the properties, I'm going to click on color here and I'll just switch to yellow. And then I'll click escape and now you can see they're easily distinguishable from the lines of our floor plan.